Okay guys, so it is Monday, June 22nd right now, and we are having some thunderstorms up here. My gosh, look at that. This is gonna be a bad one. And for some reason, my phone went off with the tornado watch thing. I don't know if this is fake or not, but we'll just see what happens. And you got some cloud, we got the rotation moving. Wait, what is that? Hold on. Guys, I think this is... Can't even know whether that's say. Well, we got thunder coming in, we got some dark clouds over there. And yeah, I'll keep you guys an update on part 1 to see what happens. And I pray to God that we don't get power flashes again, which we won't actually get one. So yeah, and it's moving really fast, so I'll keep you guys for updates. Alright guys, we got some winds, and it's going at 15 miles per hour right now. Look at that. Oh yeah, oh boy. Now we got winds going on. Oh, let me go further close so that way we don't know what's going on. These trees are wanting to go north based on the movements of the tree. Oh wow. We're about to get some real thunderstorms here. Let's check the back. Okay, we got we're getting rain downpouring right now. And look. Look how the winds are. Oh my gosh. Alright, just a quick update on this. There was actually a thunderstorm by winds. Right now the thunderstorms are back to normal. So yeah. It's just all normal, like it always does in every summertime. So yeah.